Hello everyone, welcome back to MAYANK LAWHOLIC. In this video, we will be discussing the MCQs of jurisprudence. This is the 9th video of the series, and if you want to watch other videos also, please find the link of the playlist in the description section, and also please subscribe to us. So now let's get started from question number 201. Question number 201. Who among the following said that legislation is formal utterance statement of the legislative organs of the society? Option A, Dice, option B, Allen, option C, Gray, and option D, Blackstone. Here in question number 201, correct answer is option C, that is Gray. Question number 202 is about the matching the list first and list second. List first consists of the source and list second is related to related matter. Legislation here is IPC, that is Indian Penal Code. Subordinate legislation is guest control order. Custom is immemorable origin, and precedent is overruling. So by going through these matches, the correct code here will be in question number 202, option A. Question number 203 is again the match between the list first and list second. Here the correct answer will be, the correct match for option A, supreme legislation. Supreme legislation is a law enacted by the legislature. Question executive legislation, correct match is ordinance issued by the president. Then delegated legislation, law enacted by authority other than legislature. And then the last, conditional legislation, it is related to law based on the discretion of the authority. So by going through these matches, the correct code here is option A. Question number 204. Legal right is an interest. Option A, recognized by the law, protected by the law. Both A and R correct and none of the above. Here correct answer is option C, that is both A and R correct. Legal right is an interest recognized by law, protected by law. Question number 205. Which one of the following is a theory of legal right? Option A, concession theory, option B, fiction theory, option C, interest theory, and option D, bracket theory. Here correct answer is option C, that is interest theory. Question number 206. Who among the following has stated that rights spring from right? Option A, Allen, option B, Whiteman, option C, Koch, and option D, Blackstone. Here correct answer is option A, that is Allen. Question number 207. Right in rem is right against which one of the following? Option A, police brutality, option B, an individual, option C, everyone, and option D, government. Here correct answer is option C, that is everyone. Question number 208. Which one of the following right is a right in repropria? Option A, easement, option B, license, option C, lessee's right, and option D, ownership. Here correct answer is option D, that is ownership. Question number 209. Legal rights are legally protected interest. Which one of the following jurists made the above statement? Option A, Gray, option B, Salmon, option C, Eyring, and option D, Holland. Here correct answer is option C, that is Eyring. Question number 210. Which one of the following statements denotes right in rem? Option A, right to receive rent from the tenant of the farm. Option B, right to the peaceable enjoyment of the farm. Option C, right to recover damages for breach of contract. Option D, landlord's right of free entry. Here in question number 10, correct answer is option B, that is right to the peaceable enjoyment of the farm. Question number 211. Which one of the following is not an element of legal right? Option A, the subject, that is holder of right. Option B, the object of right. Option C, the act of forbearance, and option D, legal remedy. Here in question number 211, correct answer is option B, that is legal remedy, and legal remedy is not an element of legal right, whereas the subject, that is the holder of the right, the object of right, and the act of forbearance are the element of legal right. Question number 212. Who has rejected the concept of right as immoral and against the interest of the society? Option A, Lasky, option B, Edward Jenks, option C, Buckland, option D, Dugett. Here in question number 212, correct answer is option D, that is Dugett. Question number 213. A duty arising out of violation of another duty is called option A legal duty, option B relative duty, option C imperfect duty, and option D secondary duty. Here in question number 213, correct answer is option D, that is secondary duty. Question number 214. Which one of the following is not a characteristics of a legal right? Option A, person of inheritance, option B, person of incidence, option C, subject matter of right, and option D, novation of right. Here in question number 212, correct answer is option D, that is novation of right. Question number 215. Legal right is the capacity or power of exacting from another or others acts or forbearance. Who said it? Option A, Holland, option B, Austin, option C, Allen, option D, Salmon. Here in question number 215, correct answer is option A, that is Holland. Question number 216. Which one of the following theories does not pertain to legal rights? Option A, social recognition theory, option B, protection theory, option C, will theory, and option D, interest theory. Here correct answer is option A, that is social recognition theory. Question number 217. Which one of the following are the main theories of legal rights? Option A, will theory and interest theory, B, interest theory and concession theory, C, interest theory and realist theory, and option D, will theory and fiction theory. Here correct answer is option A, that is will theory and interest theory. Question number 218. Who has observed that duty is a perspective pattern of behavior? Option A, Hart, option C, B, Kelson, option C, Dice, and option D, Fuller. Here correct answer is option C, that is Dice. Question number 219. Who insisted that rights and duties are necessarily correlative? Option A, Austin, option B, Kelson, option C, Pound, and option D, Salmon. Here correct answer is option D, that is Salmon. Question number 220. Who has rejected the concept of right as immoral and against the interest of the society? Here options are Duguid, Lasky, Edward Jenks, Buckland. Here correct answer is option A, that is Duguid. Question number 221. What is the exception to ubi jus ibi remedium? Option A, imperfect right, option B, equitable right, option C, proprietary right, and option D, corporeal right. Here in question number 221, correct answer is option A, that is imperfect right. Question number 222. A has money in his pocket. This right is a option A, right in rem, option B, right in personam, option C, right both in rem and personam, option D, neither a right in rem nor in personam. In question number 222, correct answer is option A, that is right in rem. Question number 223. Time bar debt is a perfect right, imperfect right, right is rem, none of the above. Here in question number 223, correct answer is option B, that is imperfect right. Question number 224. Which of the following theories relating to legal right has been propounded by Əhring? Here correct answer is option D, that is interest theory. Question number 225. Point out the correct answer. A right in personam is option A, such an interest which is solely available against the determinate individuals. Option B, such an interest of an individual which is available against determinate or indeterminate individual. Option C, such an interest of a determinate individual which is available against the world at large. And option D, such an interest of a determinate individual which is available against any undeterminate person. Here in question number 225, correct answer is option A, that is such an interest which is solely available against the determinate individuals. So here we will sum up this video, and if you want to watch further videos of the jurisprudence MCQs, please follow this playlist series. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe.